Welcome to our channel. Now, the Roman 2 integer program is completed. Move to the next problem. Longest common prefix. Okay. What is the problem? Longest common prefix. Write a function to find the longest common prefix string among an array of strings. If there is no common prefix, return an empty string. So you know that one. Prefix means before, postfix means after. What is they are asking? The longest common. Observe the example. Flower, flow, flight. So first to F, F, F. So common. But longest. Now check the second character. L, L, L. Yes, FL is also satisfied. O, O. Here high. There is no common. Now the longest common is FL. You got it? Now consider this one. D or C. Even there is no character. Even first character is also not common. So there is no common prefix. I think you got the concept. Now I will explain how to do this multiple ways or say consider this example flower, flow and flight. These are the strings. For example, we are trying to solve according to this example. These are the strings. What is the main concept here? Common prefix. For example, if I have 10 strings, it is not possible to compare all the 10 strings. So the first character in the first string is equal or not equal to first character in the second string, first character in the third string, first character in the 10th string. It is a very, very difficult task. Yes or no? I don't know how many number of strings are available. So for doing that one, we have one idea. What is that one? Arrange all the set of strings in sorted order. Arrange all the set of strings in sorted order. Suppose if you are arranged in sorted order, now the first string, first character is equal to the first character of the last string. What is the internal meaning? So the first string, first character is equal to the last string, first character. That is, the two first characters are equal. Sir, here you are checking only the first string and last string. But remember, you are arranged in sorted order. If the first string character is equal to last string first character, means in between whatever the strings available, those first characters is also same. Yes or no? For example, here these strings. For example, flower, flow, fly to, flew. Assume like these strings are there. Arrange this one in sorted order. You know that's one. How to arrange in sorted order? First to F is match, L is match, O, O, I, E. So the first string is flew. I think you know that one. If there is a match, move to the next based on the next one. So first two letters are matched. Now based on the third character, flew is the smallest, and then fly to, and then I is smallest. And again here O and O are same. W, W are same. Here it is completed. So flow, flower. Now observe what I am doing. By arranging these one in sorted order, if this one and this one are equal, internally this one and this one are also equal. This one and this one are also equal. For example, we have a string, some dog. We have a string, some dog is there. Now where you are placing dog? At the first position. D and F both are not equal. That is, there is no common prefix. Not only dog. For example, after F, for example, some kite is there. where we are placing kite at the last position. This one and this one not equal, so there is no common prefix. So if the first string, first character matches with the last string, first character, compulsory, the remaining string, first characters are also F. So one prefix is there. Now the question is the longest. What you are doing, simply check this one and this one. If this one and this one are same, again these two are also same. Yes or no? L is also added. Check this one and this one not same. If not same is stop. There is no common prefix. Common prefix in the sense it is common to all the strings. It is common to all the strings. Now, how do you write the algorithm? I think everyone clear. The algorithm is first we are doing some sorting operation. Okay. So assume my string name is S dot sort. List consists of S is a list, S dot sort I arranged in sorting order. To store the result, I used one variable answer. Now repeat the loop for I in range of how many number of times a loop is repeated. You are arrange the strings in sorted order. Generally, this is the minimum length string. So you are repeating the string, suppose 4 characters. Why? Here we have 4 letters. The maximum common prefix is 4 only. So we are repeating the string S of 0. S of 0 means S is this one. S of 0 means this entire thing. Length of loop is 4. So a loop is repeated 4 times. Why 4 times? To identify the common prefix. Now S of 0. What is S of 0 flow? Of I is equal to what is the last string? S of -1 of I. Program is completed. See, S of 0 means flu, I value 0. 0, 0 means F. -1 is the last string. -1, 0 means F. If both are equal, answer is equal to answer plus S of 0 I. In the next iteration, I is equal to 1. S of 0, 1. You know that one? S of 0 means 0th position. This one. In this one. In the 0th position, first one is L. Last position, first one is L. Like this, we are doing the program. Now, observe how I will write the program. You understand? It's a very, very simple program. First, I am doing sorted operation. Why I am doing sorting? Instead of comparing all the strings, if I arranged in sorted order, I will check only the first one and the last one. Only the first one and the last one. Which is answer to store the result. How many number of times a loop is repeated? Maximum one string length, whether it is the first string or second string, third string, whatever it is, for I in range of length of S of 0. Here remember, not only S of 0, you can take S of 1, S of 2, whatever it is. Generally, in the ascending order, 0th position is the smallest string. Maximum, that is the common prefix. If STRS of 0 means, here see, the input is STRS of 0 means the entire first string. In that first string, 0th position, first position, like this is equal to STRS of -1. The last string, in that last string, 0, 1, 2. Now you got it? I value 0, 1, 2, 3, like this. According to our example, I value 0, 1, 2, 3 only. If it is okay, answer is equal to answer plus strs of 0 I or minus 1 I, whatever it is, both are equal. At any point, if those are not equal, you no need to repeat the loop. Yes or no? At any point, one character is not equal means there is no prefix. Simply coming out, else break. Return answer. Run. Runtime. Sorry, spelling mistake. RETURN. Written answer. For I in range of length of S of 0, sorry, STRS, my strings, my list name is STRS. My list name is STRS. Fine, submit. Now clear? Like this, we are doing the program. If you read the program is very difficult. But if you understand some simple logic, so by practicing only, we will remember all these ideas. Okay, that is the end of the program. So in the next session, we will move to another program. Thank you.